In this video, I'm going to photograph some white foamy water crashing on some black lava rock on the big island of Hawaii. If you do like this video, it does help to give me a like, thumbs up, and if you like this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Let's see how I do. Well, welcome everyone. Good morning. I am on the coast of the big island of Hawaii, just north of Kona. I've come to try to shoot some waves coming onto some lava rock. What I'm going for is heavy contrast. The white foamy water coming into the jet black lava rock. It's still before sunrise. I gotta go find a composition. This lava rock is a little treacherous, and I'm wearing probably inappropriate footwear. I'm wearing just slides just because my feet will likely get wet and I don't have any wellies, so instead of wearing sneakers, I'm wearing these slides. So let me get my gear together and try to gingerly make my way across this lava rock in the dark. Well, the sunrise is sort of behind me as I'm shooting, and so you'll see in the background I get, instead of brilliant red and yellow colors, I get much more of a pastel feel, very soft, which is kind of nice. Again, I might even do these in black and white, I'm not sure, but typically shoot into the sun. This time I'm shooting away from the sun only because it was easy. I'm staying on the west side of the big island of Hawaii. Well, I've kind of decided on this composition here where you got sort of the edge of the rocks making a little bit of an S-curve going out to the horizon, and I'm just waiting for the waves to come in and come up against these rocks, and you get this great contrast between the white foamy water on the right side of the image and then the dark rocky rocks, the dark rocks on the left side of the image, and this beautiful pastel color sky. Well, I did put in a graduated neutral density filter, hard edge, because that sky is brightening up a little bit and the lava rock is quite dark. And so I want to, sorry, just watching the waves. Rather not get wet if I don't have to. But the filter will balance out the scene a little bit, and you'll get a better exposure that way. Well, that was a ton of fun. Managed to not hurt myself on these lava rock or get bit by a crab or something, and I think I got some good images. I'll have to go back and check them out on the computer. Hey, if you like this video, it does help to give me a thumbs up, a like, and if you like this kind of content, you want to see more of it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And until next time.